I think I should remove this picture. Then this thumbnail will look cool. I think I should replace with my own picture. Let's just upload my own picture. It doesn't look good with my picture because the background is not removed. So I think I should remove the background. How should I remove the background? Oh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video of online trick. If you are stuck in this condition which I am currently now and you don't know how to remove the background or hang on to this video, I'm going to tell you the simple trick with which you can remove the background of your picture in just few seconds. Yes, in this video you're going to learn how you can remove the background of your picture with very easy trick and very easy way. So what we're going to do is that we're going to do Google. There's a website in the Google with the name remove.bg. So what you have to do is go to this website, upload your image. Let's just say I want to upload this picture. Upload it and just download it right away. And go back to your project, upload the file. Remove the previous one, apply the new one. There you go. Ta-da! I have. So this is how you can remove the background of a picture. Very easy steps, no hassle, no more editing skills required. Very simple, very useful. So if this video has been useful to you, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and connect with me for more videos like this. Take care. Bye bye.